I'll take this back across to Piyush because we also want to focus on the celebrations that have broken out. Piyush, you're at the BJP office in Patna. You know, it's muted celebrations by the BJP. The Bharatiya Janata Party announced that here in Delhi, considering the Delhi terror attack, they're not going to go out with a massive bash as they usually do. There will be an address by the Prime Minister, but no big celebration. What's the scene in Patna? Apologies, we've lost that connection with Piyush. We'll connect with him and get you all of our reporters from the ground, give you a sense of what's really happening across Patna, because celebrations have broken out, understandably, at the BJP and JDU office. This perhaps has even exceeded what they expected. The likes of Home Minister Amit Shah, when we'd spoken to them, had said 160 plus. This is 200 plus that we're talking about right now. So a huge mandate for the NDA and for Nitish Kumar, who has been in power, the longest serving chief minister. And despite that, clearly for him, the term anti-incumbency simply doesn't exist in Nitish's dictionary. Which is why we're saying that this kind of a mandate, this verdict that we're seeing right now in Bihar is a combination of two factors, of the BJP and the JDU, of Narendra Modi and of Nitish Kumar. Both have not just pulled their weight, but they've ensured that the number of 203 now is actually possible. The single largest party, if you look at that breakdown, is actually the BJP with 92 seats. And that's very telling for you about what really people of Bihar also have to say, what the report card is for the BJP, for the central government. I'll bring in Piyush Mishra once again. He's joining us live from the BJP office in Patna, where I'm sure the celebrations have kicked off. Piyush, what's happening there? Piyush, can you hear me? Okay, we're going to give him a couple of minutes. We're going to give Piyush a couple of minutes to ensure that he is ready to join us. Piyush, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Akshita.
Yeah, go ahead, Piyush. Show us around. We want to see what's happening there.
Well, Akshita, now, the results are certainly indicating that NDA is going to form the government with a huge majority, and that's why we are now seeing charged up workers who are now celebrating this performance of NDA, and thousands of workers have now gathered here. They are dancing to the tune of a dhol. They are celebrating. They all are rejoicing with the fact that not only BJP but also Nitish Kumar has been able to perform so well. They never expected this kind of result, and here that's why we are now seeing how celebrations have kicked in at the BJP headquarters. Many women have also come here, and we can see they are also playing Holi. आप सब होली खेल रही हैं।
घर घर मोदी कमल खिल रहा है।
यार तो दिवाली नहीं हो रहा है, होली
विरोधी रो रहे हैं, उसका गाना गा रहे हैं।
अच्छा, कौन सा गाना गा रहे हैं? एक बार गा।
दिल के अरमान आंसुओं
के लिए ये गाना?
वो अपने लिए गा रहे हैं। लोगों को भकाए हैं, तो भकावे में कोई नहीं आया है। सब कमल का बटन दबाया है।
आप जीत के लिए क्या गाना गा?
जीत के लिए बताइए, गा रहे हैं।
हाँ, पे ही है।
सारा जमाना है मोदी का दीवाना, सारा जमाना है मोदी का जमाना, विरोधी कहे कुछ भी, कमल का फूल है खिलौना।
These women are now rejoicing. They are celebrating. अच्छा, महिलाओं ने कितना समर्थन दिया इस बार नीतीश जी को, मोदी जी?
इसलिए कि काम करते, काम का वोट है। ये बहकावे की वोट नहीं है, ये काम का वोट है।
काम का वोट है। आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? पटना की हैं?
हाँ, मैं पटना की हूँ। और कहना है, माटी को सोना कर दे, माटी को सोना कर दे, ऐसा संस्कारी है जी। हाँ, हम बिहारी हैं जी, थोड़े संस्कारी हैं, 100 पे भारी है जी, नीतीश पे भारी है।
आप बहुत तालियां बजा रहे हैं। आप किसे
क्या सर?
आप बहुत तालियां बजा रहे हैं पीछे से।
हाँ बोलिए। बहुत खुशी की ताली है, हमारी जीत हुई है, बीजेपी की जीत हुई है, बहुत बड़ी जीत है, बहुत बड़ी।
ये आज नाचने का, गाने का, होली दिवाली एक साथ हम लोगों ने मनाया है, रंग गुलाल भी लगाया है, मिठाइयाँ भी खाई है। होली दिवाली एक साथ मनाने का दिन है, इसलिए कि बिहार की जनता ने हमने प्रचंड बहुमत दिया है। हम सोच
That's what the words coming in from the BJP workers, Akshita. हाँ, हम बिहारी हैं जी. And that is the song on which every Karyakarta is now dancing, and they are. See, I can hear them. Nitish Kumar Zindabad saying so. You know, they are also confident of the fact that it has happened also because of Nitish Kumar's leadership and also the kind of charisma Narendra Modi has here in the state of Bihar. Akshita.
For that report, I can see the celebrations are continuing there. The Josh is high. Look, for all of those Carter there, this is their day. This is their day to celebrate and enjoy it. I can see that with all of the women particularly around you. This is at the BJP office. We're going to get you Suesha live also from the JDU office in Patna, where you have equal amount of color and a whole lot of women who've come together to celebrate. Many would say that's really been the game changer this election. Suesha is with us from the JDU office. Suesha, take it away. The only line I know from Bhojpuri is Ka Halba. So what's happening there?
And I'm sure I'll learn a little more than that, Akshita, as I continue to stay here, because it has been quite a day where I'm sure a lot of them also did not expect this sort of a result that has come in. Now, let me just quickly clarify that while, the message being given out here was that Nitish Kumar is expected to come here later in the day, but that may not happen in all likelihood. Also, in terms of the many voters you see, I've been watching the studio discussions of, which segments have really come towards the ND, and here in the JDU office, from Yadavs to Muslims to women who came out in full force, celebrating JDU's victory, and also Nitish Kumar saying that Nitish Kumar has been the dominant factor. Let's quickly listen what...
बिहार के लिए स्वस्थ है। जय बिहार, जय नीतीश कुमार। अरे पहले तो हम माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी इंडिया गठबंधन
गए ही कब थे?
बोलने दीजिए ना जी। उनको सबसे पहले मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ। बहुत बहुत बधाई हो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, आपको जनता ने मैंडेट दिया। बिहार के हृदयों में वास करते हैं, महिलाओं के हृदय में वास करते हैं, और नीतीश कुमार है तो महिला सशक्तिकरण है। हम लोग महिला सशक्तिकरण आप हो चाहिए हो, नीतीश कुमार के कारण हम लोग जिंदा हैं। वो 2005 की स्थिति देख करके दहल। हम अभी आपको एक बात बताते हैं, जो आरजेडी में जाती थी महिलाएं वोट करने, वो भी वोट करने देने तो जाती थी आरजेडी को, लेकिन वोट करने से पहले डर जाती थी।
So you see how they are talking about how they feel safe in Nitish's regime. Here are the shanks that are reverberating again, and let's quickly show you these pictures. In fact, this has been happening since this morning, where they have been beating the dhol and playing the shank, celebrating cutouts of Prime Minister Modi and Nitish Kumar, where they saying that it is the Jodi that has worked. While they continue to reiterate that it is Nitish Kumar's leadership, Nitish Kumar factor that has worked in their favor, but time and again reiterating the NDA's victory.
So we'll be standing by. Suesha, I'm going to come back to you in a few moments from now. And we'll continue beaming all of those images of the celebrations that are broken out in the BJP camp and the JDU. We'll also contrast that to what's happening in the RJD camp, where I'm sure it's absolute silence right now, and maybe some introspection as well. We're going to be tracking that, the big Raghopur fight. Will Tejaswi Yadav win that seat? Will that be at least some face saver for him or not?